Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can see how many photos you have in your Google Photos gallery. So let's get right into it. I'm using this article on Multicloud, and you can very easily check it out yourself if you want to, and if you have any other questions, but I'll be going through these three ways which you can check this out. So let's start with way number one. Now, firstly, you can count the images in Google Photos using the Photos tab, and you just need to open up the app and click on the Photos tab at the bottom. Scroll to the very end of your photo stream and look at the number displayed in the bottom, which is the total photo count. You can also count the images yourself. You can do it manually, or you can go into the app and click on Library, and from there you can select Albums to view your organized collections, and you can view the amount of photos in an album by just looking at the total photo count at the very top. And that's pretty much it. And you can also check your shared library, since if you share any libraries, you might have some photos in there which are not yours, and you can very easily check the count as well by just going into Google Photos and clicking on sharing. Then you need to select shared libraries and open the library you want to check, and from there you just look for the photo count at the top or bottom of the page, pretty similar to the first two ways, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.